So in this video I'll guide you how to solve runtimes.dll files missing error from your PC or Mac or even laptop is almost same than your PC. Okay, now let's talk about the solution. There's three methods. Those work for me and even work for a lot of my friends. That is tell files. This is the website, actually the official website. The link is given below in the description. Just check it out, and just you need to paste here your missing del file, and you will get that file. Just paste it in your C drive, Windows, and now here you need to go into the systems W64. Just open this folder and just paste that file here. Okay, this will solve your issue. And now the second method is here. You need to download the latest Visual C runtime redistributable. Okay, the latest version on official website doc.microsoft.com. just go on this website and download the latest one. Now if you are using Mac or some other devices, then you can try this one for 64-bit. Otherwise, if you are using 32-bit operating system, you can try this, and for 64 try this version. Just download it and install it. The last step and method is here. You need to download the Runtime Installer, DirectX, and User Runtime Web Installer. Just go on the official Microsoft website. You will get the latest one, and just download it and install it. It will solve your all DirectX runtime files. So I hope this video helpful for you, and it will solve your issue with these three methods, and these are the main, I think so. Now please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, please drop your feedback. I'll try to solve it for you if possible. For me, have a good day. Bye bye.